This is a quadratic equation because if I multiply this bracket, I will obtain a power of 2 for the variable. So how do we solve it? I will show you the common mistakes that students make trying to solve this quadratic equation. They will simply equate x minus 2 equal to 12, x minus 3 equal to 12, and then find the value of x. This is wrong. The first thing you should do is to expand the bracket and form your quadratic equation first. You form your quadratic equation, then you factorize. So let's expand the bracket. X times x would give us x squared. X times negative 3 would give us negative 3x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times 3 would give us positive 6 equal to 12. Then let's bring 12 to the left hand side. We have x squared minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x plus 6 minus 12 equals 0. Then 6 minus 12 we have 6. Therefore I have x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. I have a quadratic equation now, so I can factorize. You ask yourself, what are the two factors of 6 that I can multiply to have 6? I will add the both of them to have a negative 5. That should be negative 6 and 1. Minus 6 times 1 would give me negative 6. Minus 6 plus 1 will give me negative 5. So we substitute 1 and minus 6 in this equation. So we're going to have x squared plus 1x minus 6x minus 6 equals 0. Looking here, you see that x minus 6 would give us back our negative 5x. Alright? So we factorize, group and factorize. Group into two brackets and factorize. We have x to be common here. Bring 1 outside. I will then have x plus 1 minus 6 is common here. I'll bring 1 outside and then have x plus 1 equals 0. Since I have a negative 6 outside, here has to become a positive 1 because minus times plus would give me back my negative 6 here. Okay, so group again. I'll have minus x minus 6 and x plus 1 equals 0. Then you can now equate the both brackets to 0. X minus 6 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. So from here, we make x the subject. We have x to be equal to 6. Then make x subject in this one also. We have x to be equal to negative 1. Therefore, x is either a 6 or a negative 1. So what to do is to substitute 6 or negative 1 in this equation and see if you can have 12. Let's try it. I would have 6 minus 2 and 6 minus 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. Multiply the both of them, you have 12. So it is true for the equation. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share the video, and follow for more interesting mathematics tutorials. Bye-bye.